सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साडी अखियां ने है सपने अंबरां दे ए सपने अंबरां दे बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे फिर नाल समंदरा दे फिर नाल समंदरा दे
Hello everyone, I am CA Rakesh Bhandari, past chairman of ICI Jodhpur branch. Today, I take immense pride in appreciating the outstanding work done by our current chairperson. She has created history as the first woman chairperson in the last 50 years, and her leadership has truly been remarkable. Under her dynamic leadership, the Jodhpur branch has witnessed exceptional growth and engagement. She has successfully organized the numerous impactful events both for members and students, including a prestigious seminar with the ICI president, a grand regional conference held in Jodhpur after more than a decade, a well-organized residential refresher course for the members, a 2-day seminar dedicated to students, fostering learning and development. Her dedication, vision and commitment have set a new benchmark for our fraternity. Let's appreciate and support such leadership that strengthens our profession and inspire the next generation. Wishing her continued success in all his future life. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
पूजा, तुम्हारी जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है। बहुत अच्छा काम किया तुमने, सब लोगों को साथ में लेके चली। और मेरी तुम्हारे से रिक्वेस्ट है कि जब भी रीजनल काउंसिल और सेंट्रल काउंसिल के इलेक्शन हो तो तुम्हारे जैसे लोग आगे आना चाहिए। तुम माइसी समाज की शान हो, जोधपुर की शान हो। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Friends, it gives me truly immense sense of pride and joy to share an inspiring and commendable professional journey of present chairman CA Pooja Dhoot for Jodhpur branch of CIRC of ICI. I witnessed the present chairman over past 1 decade, a strong urge and passion to serve selflessly with best of her proven leadership qualities for the benefit of professional fraternity to enrich their learnings, upskilling the experience and help advancing the career growth.
Friends, past 1 year under the chairmanship of First Lady Chairman CA Pooja Rattidu is great. It's a pleasure that I have been invited and I have been associated actively with the branch in this year under different events like RRC, Kshitij, Regional Conference and many other events. I wish the upcoming committees great success ahead.
Hello Pooja, we are very thankful to the first lady chairperson of Jodhpur branch जिसने बहुत सारा काम किया है. We are extremely thankful to you and it was a wonderful year throughout the year that बहुत सारी professional activities भी हुई और बहुत सारी co-curricular activities भी हुई and all these activities took place for the first time in the history of Jodhpur branch and it's your luck factor which has given the another RCM of Jodhpur branch after a long period. So once again thank you very much.
Hello everyone, myself CA Abhishek Soni, immediate past chairman of the Jodhpur branch, giving heartfelt thanks to all the CA members and CA student of Jodhpur for showing trust and belief and giving wholehearted support to all the managing committee members. Serving the branch since 2020, almost 6 years, and again re-electing in 2022, we have started this journey under the able leadership of Dhavalji Kothari, and branch have been awarded with the CIC awards. Taken that leadership ahead, I got the opportunity being as the youngest chairman of the Jodhpur branch branch have been awarded with the most innovative branch of the CIRC. Then CA Pooja Dhoot, first female chairperson of the Jodhpur, have taken the torch ahead and done a marvelous and tremendous job for all the CA members and CA students by organizing record-breaking events, seminar, conferences in her tenure. I congratulate her for organizing such a beautiful events for everyone, and I again thanks all the CA members for their participation, which makes all the events successful. So rest I assure that all the 7 managing committee members will be available in future for their CA members and fraternity. Thank you.
पूजा जी का 1 साल का कार्यकाल ज़बरदस्त रहा। इवेंट की उन्होंने लाइन लगा दी, ऑलवेज एक्टिव, और सभी को पार्टिसिपेटिव करते हुए उन्होंने इवेंट का सिलेक्शन किया। हर एरिया सबका इंटरेस्ट ध्यान में रखते हुए इवेंट किया। बीइंग ए फीमेल इतना एक्टिव पहले कभी देखा नहीं था। उन्होंने नए माइलस्टोन सेट किए हैं। थैंक यू पूजा जी फॉर गिविंग सच ए वंडरफुल ईयर ऑफ चेयरमैनशिप। थैंक यू।
I would like to acknowledge the outstanding leadership our ICI Chairman Pooja ji during her tenure at the Jodhpur branch. Under her visionary guidance, our branch has witnessed significant growth and innovation and community engagement. Her dedication to the profession and her passion for excellence and her commitment to empowering fellow chartered accountants, especially women, have been truly inspiring. As we bid farewell to her, I express our heartfelt gratitude for her tireless efforts, her wise counsel, and her unwavering support. Wishing her continued success and looking forward to her future endeavors. Thank you, Pooja.
Many congratulations to our First Lady Chairperson, CA Pooja Dhoot, for completion of your successful and wonderful tenure in Jodhpur branch. Under your leadership, our Jodhpur branch have reached at new heights, and you and your team have won 2 prestigious awards from Regional Council. Under your tenureship, our Jodhpur branch have got a Regional Council member after a very long period of time of 15 years. You and your team have conducted and organized so many seminars and sports activities for the benefit of members and students, covering almost all the topics. In addition to that, you have conducted presidential meets, CFO meets, and national conference for students. In last, you have organized a wonderful RRC at Jaisalmer, which increases the bonding amongst the members and their family members. Thank you very much. With regards, CA Sudhir Bansal.
Hello dear members, Managing Committee, ICI Jodhpur branch. As your tenure is going to complete soon, I would like to congratulate all of you for your excellent tenure. Thank you for everything you have done for the branch, for members, for the growth and development of the profession. You have planned, organized and conducted various seminars, workshops, events, programs, whether it's related to professional education, sports, health, women empowerment, digital technology and many more. All the best. Thank you so much.
Hello, Jodhpur branch members. It was wonderful tenure of committee members of Jodhpur during the last 3 years in Jodhpur branch of CIRC of ICI. Especially, we got First Lady Chairperson Pooja Dhoot, who took profession to new heights at Jodhpur branch of ICI. Thank you.
Hello Pooja ma'am, we are truly grateful to have had you as the first lady chairperson of the Jodhpur branch. Your contributions during your tenure have been remarkable. whether it was organizing impactful events for the professionals or creating incredible opportunities for the students. Your dedication, hard work and energy have inspired us all. Wishing you all the success ahead. Thank you for everything.
Good morning. This is Anurag Lohia, President Jodhpur Industries Association. CA Pooja Rathi Dhoot is the first female chairperson of Jodhpur branch of CIRC. In fact, she is a very dedicated and dynamic chairperson of this chapter. I had the opportunity to attend few of the programs conducted by CIRC this year, and I remember one of their programs, a 2-day event, Atulyam, was simply incredible. I wish her all the best for her future endeavors. Thank you.